Hi, I'm David Millard. I'm Design Director for Experience Engineering at Capgemini. Originally, I came from the games industry, where I made a few games before moving into industrial apps, which I find more interesting. I was initially drawn to experience engineering because I love to create immersive experiences on various platforms like VR, holograms, AR, mobile, that impart information in a unique and immersive way. Real-time 3D offers people a much more immersive experience, a way in which to experience the real world in a digital world, something that would be quite useful to people who can't travel somewhere, can't be somewhere, can't relocate to some place. As a design director, my job is to bring together all the ideas and create the best possible experience for the customer. One of the most important tools we use with clients is envisioning or workshopping. The unique thing about a workshop can be that we're bringing together various people from the client who don't normally spend time together and bringing in their ideas, and our job is to bring those ideas together to create a single cohesive vision that we can then create for you as an application or a real-time 3D experience. The biggest standout moment for me over the last couple of years has been developing tools for training. I've really seen the potential of giving the customer the ability to create their own content and how that transforms the scalability of any given training program that a customer might endeavor to do.